This is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, and it's got this nice canopy on the back, nice gray color on the exterior, black cloth interior, seating for four doors, and about a 5-foot box. It also is lined, and you have reverse camera as well. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4, and you've got a trailer tow hitch in the rear, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online on islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. As well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered, all-weather mat on the floor. You've got your high mount light, traction control, and lighting controls. And on the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls as well as volume. And you have your hands-free dialing and lane keeping and your sensors, as well as your cruise control. And this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're gonna push the engine start stop button. And then on the dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and you can go back through the different options in your menu and go forwards and backwards through there. So I'm just pushing on the buttons located here, and we're getting our odometer reading and so forth. That's there. In the center, we have our display screen coming up. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, just showing you how close other objects or vehicles are to you. Let's put us back into park for safety's sake. We can go into home for different options, and we have AM, FM. In the menu, we can go in there, and so we can choose different things. And for instance, for your map, you've got your destination, so you can actually put it in and then choose where you want to go, so you know that the navigation is available in the vehicle for that purpose. And you also have Sirius XM radio, and you've got different options that you can choose in there. Heated seats for both driver and passenger, and you're seeing the dual climate control as well, and the temperature controls are down here along with the AC, and you've got your fan. Off to the side is your 4x4. You've got a heated side view mirror. There's your hazard lights. And then you've got your power. You've got the rear window control. So when we push that back there, it'll open it right up. I'm doing it over my shoulder here. Sorry if you, there we go. And then we go the other way to close it right back up. So if you want to open that up, you've also got outlets here, USB and your 12 volt, cubby to put items, couple of cup holders, your shifter, emergency parking brake, and another little bin. Your armrest opens up, and you've got this nice little bin that comes out, and down below there's USB and USB-C, so you've got lots of places to plug in and connect. Your glove compartment, grab handle off to the side, and your garage door openers, auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder, there's an SOS button, and your lighting controls, and that also controls the dome lighting back here, and you're all set to go. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handle with easy entry, so in the fobs in close proximity you can unlock the doors. You've got your driver's side fuel cap, and your badging is located there, and you got this nice little canopy up top, and I'm going to show you when we open it up here. And then your backup cameras just to the side of your handle. You got a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer tow hitch. So we're just going to open up the latch, and by the way, the tailgate is lockable as well. This goes down very easily, and this velcros, and then it unzips. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm just going to lift it up for you. And you've got this nice pad inside, and the hard cover in the back there just keeps everything nice and clean. You've got tie downs in all 4 corners, and so this lifts up. You can just clean this up if you want. You've also got an outlet off to the side here, and I'll get my hand out of the way, sorry. There, you can see that, and then you can see the system inside. I'm just tucking myself in here, so it's a little bit echoey, but you've got a nice frame in here, so you could do camping or whatever else you wanted to do, which is kind of nice. And then when you're ready, you just close up the tailgate, and there you get a shot of the window here. There we go. And then you can just head out, lock it up if you want to just leave it there, and enjoy your adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back, and it's got a 60-40 split. And what you do is pull it from the base here and just pull it back. What I like is they've got little hooks and places to put your seat belts so that you don't lose the tab when you close it up. There's also a nice little bin down below, and then just push it closed. All weather mats on the floor, and you've got a little bin in the center, your dome lighting up top, as well as hooks and handles. You're seeing the hooks in the back there, and you're all ready to go. There's camera in the rear and this nice canopy top. It's removable. You also have mud flaps and roof rack system, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.